Made in China. 你好, Changsha.
Recently, young visitors from South Africa came to Changsha and paid a visit to Sany Heavy Industry.
Sany Heavy Industry, headquartered in Changsha, is a top 3 global construction machinery manufacturer, famous for concrete machinery and excavators.
6 most smart manufacturing workshops, watching model automated production lines, and got to know the whole process of making construction machinery.
It is an efficient machine that is, you won't find it in the world. That is more advanced in terms of the technology and saving in terms of the fuel cost that we're facing in the world, as we're having a crisis on fuel and diesel. So we believe that this machine, as much as it is, it's one of the best and key machines that can create more work that needs to be done in South Africa, man-made to deal with the issue of the infrastructure projects. However, we want Sany to go to South Africa, these machines, not only to sell them, but to assemble them for the South Africans so that we can create jobs for the young people and the people of South Africa. Because assembling creates jobs and opportunities. Ours is to find cooperation with Sany to make sure that they find its space in South Africa.
Proudly made in China. South Africa, love it.